Shadow's really involved.
Yeah, that's a mess up. You recording?
Sure am.
See the bird Shadow?
Shadow like, yeah, I see all that.
That don't move you? Not only am I the dog whisperer, but the bird whisperer too. And in reality, I'm just telling y'all, I have a thing for animals.
I think everyone sees this. Giving them some millet.
So I'm like, what's up with y'all?
Shadow doesn't like when Larry shows too much attention to the birdies. Millet heaven. Shadow all in it too. I think they're cautious. Because Bluey keep flying over there to Shadow, so I don't think they that scared.
Ringo don't have no real connection. Look at Shadow. And the bird. Do you see this bird?
Yeah, Shadow just looks. Shadow, why my dog always looking so sad? Shadow just gives me human vibes.
Look at Shadow standing hard, boy.
Dang.
You seen Ringo?
Ringo be flying.
Then he gonna call for Bluey like, come on. Bluey's gonna stay here. Uh-oh. And he gonna fly back on the cage when he gonna come. And now I'm good, man. This is the time.
They just make a mess.